Welcome back. So now let's say if we want to also have custom post fields that we want to show and on our post, we can do that. So we can grab this and we can just say copy code and paste the code again, replace the whole code with the new code. And if we go to the page here and refresh, and if I want to now add a new field at the bottom, I will see this custom field section. So here we can add this custom field. So expand this and here we can add a new field called, let's say, portfolio type, and give some value here. It's a test. So click on add and here you see we have the new field called portfolio type. So this is a custom field and we can use this. So we can also remove this from here like this and update. So we can grab the value field name and display its value whenever we want. So this is how we can also show custom fields apart from the normal fields that we have. The normal fields that we get is of course this portfolio, this title and the body, but we can also now add more kinds of fields that we want. So we have post type and portfolio type as a new custom field created. Okay, now we want to display our theme, the post types or the portfolio types, sorry, here. So let's go to our front page and we go to this section where we have this whole portfolio. So this is the start of the portfolio. This is the row. So this is the first portfolio that we have. So we'll get rid of this. We have another one. We'll get rid of this. We have another one. We don't want to have many. We just want to have one and then we iterate on top of it. So this is what we have. Now what we will do is exactly the same thing that we did here. We'll copy everything from here and here we will change it to portfolio arguments. Copy this and paste it here as this, because on the same page we cannot have the same variables repeated, and this becomes portfolio and we will try to fetch 6. That's what we want to do. And this will, let's say, portfolios. Copy this, change it here, change it here. Next up is we want to end a loop here, and for that we have to use PHP. End the loop. Perfect. And now we have to go ahead and make things dynamic, but before that let's go ahead and see if we are able to get 6 posts. So we have 2 posts, so we are getting 2 times. Let's say I add another one. So if I say portfolio 3 and add a new image here, publish. If I refresh, we should see 3 items here. So maximum of 6 can come. We have given that. So we are seeing 3 items here. So in the next video, we want to now display these dynamic values. So let's continue in the next video. Thank you.